All right, so next up on the list is dealing with a dead battery. So jumper cables used to be the thing to get, but the problem with that is you need somebody else around. So if you got it, I say get you one of these. This can jump your car off with nobody else around. All you got to do is, like, when you're at home, plug it up to the house. Where is the thing? This one, it's a USB charger, so you pretty much plug it up like a phone charger. You know, like so. But you plug it up just like a phone charger, let it charge up overnight or whatever, put it in your car, and you're good to go. So if it works, your light will be green if it's fully charged and all of that. But anyway, back to the car. So if you got a dead battery, let's say you get in there one day or one night, your lights are showing real dim, you try to crank it, it's just like a fast ticking noise. So most likely your battery is dead. So if you got one of these, you can get yourself out of a jam without having to wait for forever, calling somebody, AAA, or whoever you call. But it's pretty simple. Once it's charged up, all you need to do, you get your red cable, you hook it on your battery, on the red cable on your battery. Simple as that. Same with the black cable. You would hook this to the black cable on your battery, like so. And if your battery was dead, all you do is flip this on. You get in the car, you turn the key. As long as it's connected real good, should crank right up. That'll get you out of a jam. If you have one of those cars where the battery is actually in the trunk, you can still do this under the hood. It'll usually be another, like a big bolt with a red cable on it, or it'll have like a red positive sign, something like that. Same deal, you put your red cable on that. This black cable, you just put this anywhere on the car that's metal if there's nothing else to grab on. So that could be just like the frame like this, or let's say one of these bolts over here. You just need that black one on something that's metal that's not the red part of the battery. And that'll get you out of a bind.